Hello, Caddy Daddy fans. These are our newly available bumper selection. This is not the extent of it, though. This is just a small selection of things that we have available. These are our big guys. So we've got some 1939 bumpers up here, some 41s, 51, 52. Pretty nice 1959 back bumper here. A little bit of a ding there, but probably could be worked out. Actually, a really nice 59. We do have a few 59 bumpers around. Typically, we aren't selling them as a whole piece, but if you really needed it as a whole piece, we could definitely make that happen for you. More 50 to 51s are here. And we have a couple of these already listed on our site. So we've got this 80 to 89 rear wheel drive. So a few of these are already listed on our site, and we'll give you kind of an idea of the different items we're working with. But we also have a couple of Buick things for our BOP people out there. 53 Buick and a 1960 Buick. So if you're in need of some bumper pieces or an entire bumper, just reach out to our sales team and they'll be happy to help find what you need.
Hey, yo.